Are you looking for quick and easy low-carb meals that you can make in just 5 minutes? Look no further. In this video, I'll show you how to make delicious and nutritious low-carb meals in no time. Hi everyone, I'm Naim, and I'm here to show you how to make quick and easy low-carb meals in just 5 minutes. Low-carb diets are becoming increasingly popular, and for good reason. Studies have shown that low-carb diets can help with weight loss, reduce inflammation, and improve overall health. Let's start with breakfast. A great low-carb breakfast option is a smoothie bowl. All you need is a blender, some frozen fruit, and a low-carb milk alternative like almond or coconut milk. Blend the ingredients together and top with your favorite nuts and seeds. For lunch, try a simple salad. Start with a base of leafy greens like spinach or kale. Add in some protein like grilled chicken or hard-boiled eggs. Top with some healthy fats like avocado or olive oil. Add a few slices of tomato and cucumber for extra flavor and crunch. For dinner, try a veggie stir-fry. Start by sautéing some garlic and onion in a pan. Add in your favorite vegetables like bell peppers, mushrooms, and broccoli. Add in some protein like tofu or tempeh. Season with some low-sodium soy sauce and a pinch of red pepper flakes. Serve over a bed of cauliflower rice for a complete meal. As you can see, it's easy to make delicious and nutritious low-carb meals in just 5 minutes. Give these recipes a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy recipes. Thanks for watching.